Let's unbox these sleek earbuds from CMF by Nothing. Now, I was sent this product for a review, but my opinions are completely my own, so let's get into it. This box is so cool. It has this spin tab right here that actually has a place where you could add a lanyard to it, so you could have this hanging if you want to. And on the side, it has a USB-C input and a setup button. And on the front, it does have an indicator light for charging. Now, when you open it up, they are beautiful. Now, these have a lot of fancy features to them. They have active noise cancellation. They have a custom dynamic driver, which means they should have really nice bass. And they have a biofiber diaphragm designed to give you high definition sound. So of course I have to put them to the test, as those are big promises. Now, they do come with an app, so I'm going to install that real quick. Once you pair them, the app actually teaches you everything you want to know about the earbuds. Double tap to skip forward or answer or hang up on calls. Triple tap to skip back or decline an incoming call. And tap and hold for noise control. And then the app has an equalizer, a way to control the bass. And if I want, I can turn on and off the noise cancellation from the app instead of the earbuds themselves. Now that I have the app set up, I can put these in. The first thing is they do come with the medium rubber ear tips in, but you have smaller or larger ones as well, so you can fit them to your ear. They are a little larger. I think that's because of everything that's packed in them, but they are super lightweight. And they have a really nice fit. Thanks to being so lightweight, I'm really liking how these fit in my ears. I have smaller ears and the medium tips are fitting wonderfully. Now, first thing I'm gonna do is check out the noise control. Transparency is really nice. I can hear the ventilation in my home. My home's really quiet right now, but I can definitely hear everything. And it doesn't sound like it's running it through speakers. It just sounds more transparent. Now, once I go to noise cancellation, I really can't hear any ambient noise. I'm not hearing the HVAC. I'm not hearing any noises outside. It's really quiet. I just listened to a few different songs and these headphones are awesome. I am so impressed. I definitely get that high quality bass, and I love how you can control the bass. You can turn it on and off, and you can also change the levels, which is just amazing. And playing with the equalizer definitely makes a difference. I found that my songs definitely sounded completely different depending on which version I chose, but the default was my favorite. But the sound is bright and crisp. The bass is fantastic. I love how they fit. I didn't know what to expect, but I am incredibly impressed with these earbuds. They work beautifully.